Lot number 3120A. Here we have ourselves a freshwater 1999 Sea-Doo GTX RFI. It's got Rotax fuel injection system in it. It's got 134.5 hours on the machine. As you can see, it's a Minnesota boat. It's freshwater, super clean. Reason we're tearing it down, one cylinder's got 150 pounds of compression, the other side's got 10 pounds of compression. We think the rod bearings went out. If you're interested in buying parts off this machine, give Martos Motorsports a call at 218-844-4968. Or you can visit us on the web at martosmotorsports.com or on Facebook at Martos Motorsports. Tested spark on it is good. Here's the gauge. $134.5 hours. Temperature. Everything works on the gauge. It does turn over, but it's got weak compression on one side. The hull will also be available for sale, the pump, the reverse gate, the step down ladder, basically any part you see on this machine. The seats are in fair condition. Thanks for stopping by.